In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your data in Zoho Books, a crucial task for safeguarding your financial information and keeping your records secure. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can do it confidently and efficiently. First things first, let's get started by heading over to the Settings area. You'll find this in the top right corner of your Zoho Books page. It may look like a simple gear icon, indicating a place where you can tweak various options to your liking and better fit your business needs. The Settings area is essentially the control center where you have the power to customize the workings of your Zoho Books account. Once you've opened the settings, look for the section labeled Developer Space. Underneath this category, you should see the Data Backup option. This section is vital because it's dedicated to helping you manage how your data is saved and ensures you have a way to retrieve it if the need arises. Think of it as your digital safety net, always there to catch and save the information you rely on. Now you'll want to click the button that says Back up your data. This action initiates the backup process, setting things in motion to copy and secure your records. It's like creating a snapshot of all your important financial data at that moment, putting it in a safe place so you can rest easy, knowing everything is secure. This step is crucial for maintaining a stable record of your financial information, ensuring you've got everything backed up should anything go wrong. When you click this button, a pop-up will appear, showing you the email address where the download link for your data backup will be sent. This lets you confirm the email address is correct and is where you prefer to receive the information. If everything looks good, click Continue to move ahead and confirm your selection. This is a small but essential step to make sure that your data arrives where you can easily retrieve it. After you do this, Zoho Books will take over and create a backup of your data. It efficiently processes the information and then lets you know it's ready by sending you that essential email with your download link included. It's a seamless process so that you can keep focusing on what's important for your business without getting bogged down in technical detail. But what if you don't want to go through your emails to find the download link later? No worries at all. You can always access this backup from the Backup History section in the same menu. This section acts like a library of all your recent backups, giving you quick access to download them whenever it's convenient for you. It's always a smart move to back up your records regularly, so you're never caught off guard if something unexpected happens. By following these steps, you're ensuring that your financial data is safely recorded, giving you peace of mind and solid ground to stand on when planning your next business moves. And there you have it, a straightforward path to keeping your Zoho Books data safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips.